fine. So, shall we start the session? See, and one more thing I need to know that before starting my session, you guys are need to know one thing. See, this session is going to be, for 1 hour, 7 to 8 a.m. Every day. And apart from that, you need to know one thing. Whenever I'm asking anything, you guys are need to respond. That is the first thing you need to remember. Okay, why? Because if we are here at 7 a.m. early means we need to hear to respond to everyone. Yes or no? So the respond is very, very important to me. Whatever the questions or whatever the things I'm asking here, you guys are unmute yourself. You guys are need to respond for me. Why? Because we are not in offline, right? You guys are attending in online. So I need to know whether you are getting or not what I'm saying here. So I need to know that. For that, you guys are need to respond to me. Whatever the thing I'm asking, whenever I'm asking any question, you guys are need to respond. That is first thing you need to remember that. Okay. And the second thing, you need to focus on this training. Why I'm saying that is, see, early morning at 7 a.m. it's not possible, but you need to focus. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So that's what I'm saying that
Yes.
please be active. Please be active. Please focus on here. Okay. If you have any doubts, if you are getting any doubts, please ask me. I'm here to clear your doubts also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Thank you so much for joining everyone. I'm going to starting my session. Okay. If you have any doubts, we are going to see that. Okay. So, we are heartily welcomes to Harsha trainings here. Thank you so much for joining. So, see, before starting the session, what we guys are learning here, what we are going to learn,
Power BI.
what we are going to learn,
Power BI.
Power
Power
BI.
BI.
Okay. So, anyone know that Power BI? What is Power BI? Why you guys are learning to here? Why you are having the interest to learn the Power BI? Do you know what is the Power BI? Why the Power BI is a demanding tool in the market? It is a hot topic. Hot technology. Do you know why? Why? Because the Power BI is a business intelligence tool. And apart from that, the Power BI we can call as a data analytical tool. And the Power BI we can call as data visualizations tool. Okay. When I'm saying the data visualization tool, what is visual? What is the data? What is data? What is data? Anyone? What is data? I'm asking you the simple thing, right? I'm not asking any technical question. What is data? Anyone? Please be active. Please be response. I'm asking the data. Anyone? What is mean by data?
It might be anything like information about anything.
Information about any one object, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Stored in that.
Yes or no? See, the information about any one object. When I'm saying the object, whatever it is. Yes or no? See, for example, now I'm taking a data. A business, whatever it is. The business means wherever the business is there, the data should be there. Yes or no? Whenever we are
Yes.
having any business, whatever the business it is, okay, the data should be there. So now, what is the data? We know that. Now, what is visual? We are going to see that. Okay, what is visual? We are going to see that also. So, what is the agenda we are going to see is, so here the importance of the visuals and how to analyze one visual. Okay, the importance of the visual means whenever we are going to learning that importance of the visual and how to analyze that visual, we need to know what is exactly visual. Okay, how the visuals are impact or how the visuals are affecting on humans brain, and how the visual is there. Okay. Now apart from that, what is visual, what exactly the visual it is. Why? Because we are going to learning one technology which is data visualization tool. Yes or no? So for that we need to know exactly what is a visual. Okay, the importance of the visual, why the visual is very important in the current IT market. Okay, apart from that, see, we are going to learning one technology. What is that? Power BI, right? So what is Power BI exactly? And the history of the Power BI means, when I'm saying that history of the Power BI, who was launched it, when it is born. Okay, it means how many years older of the Power BI. Okay, see, when I'm asking you, I mean, how old are you? You should be having some history, right? Yes or no? I'm something years older, and I'm from this. See, these are, I mean, my parents are there from this. So it means the history of the Power BI, the same thing as of you having one history. Okay, so as of you, the Power BI also having some history. Okay, and apart from that, why the Power BI is having the hot technology and the demanding technology in the current market? It means the need of the Power BI. Okay, now apart from that, we are going to see that the top reasons why we are going to learn the Power BI. Okay, we know that the Power BI is leading the market as a data visualization tool and a data analytical tool, as well as the business intelligence tool. Why? Because I'm saying that whatever the business is there, that business data we are going to analyze that. It means not only Power BI we are going to learn here, the business cases also we are going to see here. Is that clear? The entire thing business cases. It means why? Because the Power BI is a business intelligence tool. With the help of the business BI tool, we are going to see the business cases, business uses, business cases. Why this Power BI is involved in the business data. That also we are going to see that. And apart from that, we are going to see how the Power BI will be working. When I'm saying the how the Power BI will be working, there will be some components are there. And apart from that, we need to know something about the database. What is the database? What is database? It is mandatory to anyone. And one more thing, if I need to, so means if you need to enter into the IT sector, if you guys are have to enter into IT sector, you should know one database. That database also we are going to providing here, including this course. Okay, it's very important. Where the data is there, it's okay. That data we are going to using that. The data will be stored in the database. That's why we need to know about the database also. Okay, and the thing is, finally, why should go for this course? What we are going to offer? Okay, that also we are going to see that. Okay, now apart from that, you guys are need to do one thing. Okay, see, you are attending one demo right here. See, for the demo, see, if you observe that in this presentation, if you observe, there is a scrolling, right? Harsha trainings to booking the slots. Okay, who are joined in the demo and who are very interested, if you have any doubts about these demo sessions or the technology, you can contact to below scrolling number. Note down that number. Please try to contact to that number. Okay, fine everyone, clear. So on today onwards, we are going to providing three free demo sessions. After that, the regular sessions also will be continuous with the demo only. Okay. So who are be interested, please contact with that number. Is that clear?
That
Clear
clear?
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So I'm going to starting the session. What exactly the agenda? We are going to follow that. Now the agenda we are going to see that exactly the importance of the visuals. Okay, when I'm saying that visual, see, I'll give you just a, what about the visual. What is the visual is which the data is
That's good.
representing in the graphical form, that will be called as a visual. Yes or no? Is that clear? Yes or no? See, whenever I'm saying that the data is representing in the graphical form, it will be called as a visual. Now why the visual is very important to as a human being to us, not only us. See, as a business users or the business who are going to be a business. Okay, who are going to running a business, who are doing a business, for that persons they will be having some data, right? That data they cannot analyze. Why? Because we are having some data. If the data is very less, it's okay, fine. See, if anyone maintaining some data means, Some data means it will be lack of data, it will be having, right? The millions of the data, billions of the data, they will be maintaining that data they cannot analyze. So for that analysis purpose, we are going to creating a visualizations to improve the business. I will let you know how to improve the business with the help of the visualizations only. We'll see that. We'll see that. Okay. Now, just an example, I'm giving you that importance of a visual. Okay. What is the importance of the visual? Okay. If you observe this story, I mean, can anyone help me to read this story? Can anyone please?
Yeah,
Yes.
there is a
Please.
class. There is a classroom filled with 7 members, including teacher. The class was starts at 8 o'clock, and in that classroom there are 2 boys and 4 girls, except teacher. The classroom is decorated with some toys to attract children, and there is cupboard to store books for children.
Okay, thank you so much for reading. Thank you so much. See, now there is a class we are having. Okay, there is a class. The classroom is filled with 7 members, including teacher. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. And the class was starts at 8 o'clock. And in that classroom, there are 2 boys and 4 girls, except teacher. Okay, this classroom is decorated with some toys to attract the children. Yes or no? Okay,
Yes.
and there is a cupboard to store books for the childrens. Why I'm giving this story means, okay, fine. Now, if you observe that, there are 2 boys, there are 4 girls. Okay, except teacher. I'm saying that. Can anyone let me know that the gender of the teacher, whether the teacher is, I mean, male or female? Anyone? Guess? Guess anyone?
I mean, since there are 4 girls, right? I mean, the probability is the teacher maybe the gender of the teacher is. I mean, she's a female.
She's the female. Okay. Why? How you? I mean, how you are saying that? The good answer.
I mean, basis, I mean, if you look at the numbers, right, there are 2 boys and 4 girls. Okay. So, basis that 4 girls, right, I mean, the percentage of the girls is more in the class. Okay. In the member of 7, the number of girls are more. So, I mean, there is a probability or possibility that the teacher who's there in the class, the gender of the teacher is female. She's a female teacher.
Okay. Intelligent answer. Very intelligent answer. Thank you so much. But based on the students, we can't identify the teacher gender, right? Yes or no? See,
Correct, correct.
right now we are having the class. In that class, based on the students, based on the students, we cannot identify the gender. Who is the teacher? Yes or no? We don't know when we can confirm the gender of the teacher when we are in the class, then only we can say that. Until that we don't know who is the teacher, right? Yes or no? See, you
Yes.
are going to a new class, we are going to a new class. In that classroom there is a teacher. That teacher is gender male or female, we can't, I mean, we don't know that. Why? Because we don't have any introduction of the teacher, right? So basically we cannot identify, I mean, based on the student strength, right? Yes or no? Am I correct?
Yes.
But you given an intelligent answer. Thank you for so much for that. It's very good answer. Okay, fine. Now, and apart from that, see how the school starts. I mean, at what time the school generally will be starting?
8 o'clock.
8
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock only. 8 o'clock only.
Yes. No,
Okay,
no. The class
No,
starts.
no. The
Sorry.
class
class starts. The school
7.
doesn't start at
that's
8.
what I'm asking.
The
That.
class
That's what
starts.
I'm asking. That, man. That's what I'm asking. That. Okay, the school will start at some time, but I'm giving
6.
that 8 o'clock the class was started. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Is it correct? Is it
Yeah, you're
correct?
right.
Actually, I'm asking that. Is it possible to start the school? I mean, school classes at 8 o'clock?
No, sir.
The school will be start at 8:30 or 9:30. Yes or no? But I'm giving that 8 o'clock. How I can confirm this? I will do that. I'll do that. Okay. Now, we know that 7 members. Okay, there is 7 members. We are having 2 boys, we are having 4 girls, including the teacher we cannot identify the gender. Okay, now the classroom is decorated with some toys. Now can anyone expect what are the toys are there in that classroom to attract the childrens? Generally, what are the toys will be attract the childrens generally? What type of toys? And if anyone, please expect that what are the toys are there in the classroom? Anyone?
I mean, sir, I mean the basic car and all, right? I mean the riding car, some sort of something like that, sir. I mean, probably
Yes,
I would.
teddy
So you
bears.
have
Like,
exactly.
teddy
Those are
bear.
the teddy
Yeah,
bears,
yeah.
cars. We can expect that. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. And apart from that, there is a cupboard. What is mean by cupboard? We are having many cupboards, right? Yes or no? We are having many cupboards. What is mean by cupboard? Which is used to store our objects,
Book.
right? Books or objects,
books.
whatever it is,
Yes.
right? Now, when I'm
Yeah.
Database,
asking
sir.
that, yes, when I'm asking that, what is this cupboard? Whether it is a glass cupboard, whether it is a wooden cupboard, whatever it is. See, why I'm saying this is we are having some data here. Yes or no? We are having
Yeah.
some data. In this data, whenever I'm having some requirements, when I'm saying that requirements, who is the gender of what is the gender of the teacher? Okay, when the class was started. Okay, and apart from that, what are the toys are there? And apart from that, what about the cupboard? These all are my requirements with this data. Okay, these all are my requirements with this data. See, whenever we are discussing that, we are getting some good result, I mean good answers, and someone will not getting that. Yes or no? Yes or no? And apart from
Yes.
that, if anyone repeat this story right now, please try
Yes,
to
sir.
repeat the story. Yes,
Yes.
please.
There is a class of 7 members. Out of that, there are 2 boys and 4 girls, except the teacher. Okay. The school starts at 8 o'clock. The class starts at 8 o'clock. Okay. The class is decorated with toys, and there is a cupboard in the class.
To store the books and
Store book
Toys.
purchasing.
yeah.
There is a
And there are two
cupboard to
boys
store the
and
books,
four.
right? See,
Yes.
now, whenever
Two
you are
boys and four
watching this
girls.
data without any inconvenience, you are reading perfectly, right? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
But right now, when I'm asking, as of now, you are saying perfectly or not. Let me know that. Let me know that. You are saying perfectly or not? There is some inconvenience,
80%
right?
is
Yes or
correct.
no? So
The
the
data
reason
is
is why?
okay.
Because it is a story, it is a data. We cannot store we cannot store in the mind, right? Yes or no? In the brain, we cannot store. Why? Because it's a
That too,
data. As a human, we cannot store the data. We cannot store the data or any information or any one paragraph. Okay, for example, I'm having a novel. Okay, what is the novel is actually we're having some movies, right? Yes or no? See, the recent big movies Salar. So we guys are know that, right? Salar. See,
Yes.
Salar is the movie. Okay, that movie having 2.5 hours, right? 3 hours or 2.5 hours?
3 hours ago.
Yeah, around 3 hours, right? Now that movie, before giving the movie, they will be having some story, right? Yes or no? Just I'm asking
Yes.
that. Just I'm asking that. If they released any one book regarding that Salar, if they released any one book regarding that Salar, if they did not release any movie, they released the Salar story. Is it popular? Really? Is it going to be popular? The Salar book, it will be popular or not?
Yes.
That is
Is it popular or not? Who will interested to watch the movie? Who was interested to read the book, novel?
Sir, I mean, if one goes to read a novel, right, it will take good amount of time, okay,
Yes,
and it
yes,
become monotonous. However, when you're sitting in a movie, right, or I mean, for let's first say when you're reading a book, right, to understand what is the story inside the book, you go to the synopsis, which is at the back of the book, right? What is the story
exactly.
all about, and what the author has tried to do that. However, when you watch a movie, correct? I mean, the wherein the movie, the book is of 400 pages. Let's per say the novel is of 400 pages. The same thing is depicted or portrayed in a movie, in a period of 1 hour 20 minutes, where you visualize it. And when you visualize anything, I mean, you're able to perceive it correctly, and you're able to retain it for a longer period, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. No, it's okay. Fine. Thank you so much. Good explanation. That is, I'm going to saying that. Now it's okay. Fine. You guys are educated. Okay, if you know that someone with uneducated also able to watch the movie, yes or no? They can understand easily. But
Yes.
if anyone uneducated people are there, they cannot read the novel book. Yes or no? They cannot read the book. Yes or no? They will
Yes.
prefer only
Yeah.
the visualization where the picture is going on. Yes or no? The theater. They will be interested to
Yes.
watch the movie in the theater only. Not only that uneducated peoples. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone is interested to watch the movie only. To see
Visualization.
Prabhas. Why? Because in that movie the director is good impression of the Prabhas. So we are going to attracting to that visualization. Yes or no? Yes
You're
or no?
right.
Yes.
So that's what I'm
Yes.
trying to say, that the visualizations are more important to more than compared to the data, which the data is available. Okay,
To
now
create impact.
yes, it will be creating an impact of human's brain. That's what I'm trying to say that. Okay, now we are going to see that one picture. Please let me know that. Now can I see the gender of the teacher?
Yes.
Female.
Yes, female.
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say that. So based on the student strength, I cannot identify the gender of the teacher, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes
Yes.
or no? Now, if I
Yes.
did not mention two boys, if I did not mention four girls, if I'm asking you how many members are there, I mean how many boys are there, how many girls are there? Is it possible to
We can.
say?
No.
I
For the
mentioned that
visualization, we can.
seven members are there, including the teacher. Yes or no? Seven members are there, including the teacher. It means how many boys are there, how many girls are there. I mentioned here. If I did not mention two boys, four girls, if I'm asking that, how many boys are there, how many girls are there? Is it possible to answer? No, right? Absolutely no. Why? Because we don't know. Why? Because we are not having complete data, complete information. If we are not
Yes.
having the complete information, we cannot give that any answer. Yes or no? So apart from that, if you observe that, I'm asking some toys. Someone saying that teddy bear and the car. Thank you so much for your expectations. Okay, and there is a cupboard to store the book for children's. Now this is a wooden cupboard, right? Now, when I'm saying that the class starts at 8 o'clock, how I'm saying that? No, what is mean by this? What is mean by this slide?
Yeah.
What is mean by this slide? Did you got what I'm trying to say, that the visuals are more important more than data. But one more thing you need to remember: if you don't have the data, you cannot
Without
create
data.
any one visual. The visual
Yes.
will be representing of the data only, but
Yeah.
the visual is giving you meaningful
More clarification.
more than the data. That's what I'm trying to say. Are we done? The importance of the visual are given one example. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes.
Why we need to know this? Why we need to know this is why, because we are going to learn one data visualization technology. What is that? Power BI.
Oh,
In
yeah.
the Power BI, what we will do, we are going to see that. But why we need to know the Power BI? Why this Power BI is very hot technology in the market means it is giving good visualizations. What is the data available in the business? That business we are going to analyzing that in the technology of Power BI. Okay. So in that Power BI,
Okay.
we are going to creating some visualizations. I'll let you know that. I'll let you know that. Now we are seeing that the importance of the visualizations, right? Now what is visual? We know that. What is visual? When the data is representing in the graphical form, it will be called as a visual, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, if you observe that, I'm having one data which is consist of three columns or three fields. There is a country, there is a product, and there is a sales.
Sales.
We are having three columns. If you observe that, there is a country. What are the countries are there here? Germany,
Germany.
Germany,
France,
France,
Mexico,
Mexico, Canada,
Canada,
USA, Germany.
USA, and again there is a Germany, again there is a France, again there is Mexico, again there is USA, France, Canada, Germany. If I'm asking you how many countries are there,
4.
It's 12.
someone
Five.
saying 12,
Five.
4,
Five.
5.
sir. 5, 5.
5.
Five.
someone saying 5, someone saying 4, someone saying that 12. Which one I need to get good information?
Sir, 5 countries.
Five
Five
countries.
countries are there, but we're having some duplicate information. What is when I'm saying the duplicate information? There is Germany. Again, we're having the Germany. We're having the Germany. See, if I'm having 10 times Germany, it is only single country, right? It is
Yes.
not a
Yes.
three country. Only single country having three times of information. It is giving three times information. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
But if I'm asking that, how many records are there?
You need a distinct of the row or distinct of the country wise or product. What is the question?
Actually, I'm asking that I need to know my requirement is I need to know how many countries are there.
It's
That is
5
my first
countries.
requirement.
Five
Five
countries.
countries. Second
Distinct is
question,
five
second
countries.
requirement is how many records are there? How many records are there? When I'm
12,
asking that
12,
records,
12 records.
12
12
records.
Twelve.
records, rows, right? How many rows are there? That will be calling as a records, yes or no?
Records. Yeah,
Hmm.
whatever you enter.
Whatever I entered in the rows, that will be called as a records, right?
Records.
That's
Yeah.
what I'm
Hmm.
asking that. Now consider that product column. How many products are there?
Four products, right?
Is it correct?
One, two, three, four,
5 products are there.
five
Five.
products. Are
I think it's 7.
Okay. Okay. I'll explain you one thing.
six.
See, for example, I'm having one Samsung mobile. Again, I'm having Samsung mobile. Again, I'm having Samsung mobile. Now I'm having one. Realme, whatever it is. Okay, Realme mobile. Now let me know how many products I'm having.
2.
Samsung is one product. Samsung is one product. Samsung is one product.
Four
Realme is one.
products.
Now, how many products I'm having? Four
Four.
products.
There are two
If I'm
models,
having
four
two mobiles,
products.
if anyone asking that how many mobiles you do have, whether it is the same brand, whether I'm having the same brand of the mobiles, if I'm having two mobiles, I would say that I'm having two mobiles. Why? Because whether it is the same brand, whatever it is, I'm having two brands, right? If I'm asking that how many products are there, what is your answer? What is the answer should be?
Product is two.
Two products.
12 products, right? See, this is one
Oh, you are
product.
talking about 12
See, this is
product
also one
here.
product. Yes, exactly. Please try to understand it. I'm asking that only. This is one product. Now we are having three products from VTT. Yes or no?
Yeah, that's right.
That's what I'm saying that, man. How many products I'm having? How many records are there? Absolutely, I'm having the product. Is that clear?
Yeah, we got it.
Yes, exactly. Now that's what we are going to analyzing the business in the same scenarios. Okay, the business scenarios we need to understand that. Okay, now apart from that, we are having something sales is going on with the product in the countries. Now we are having some products which is VTT, and one is there, Carretera and Paseo and Montana, Velo and Amarilla. These all are my products. What are products are there if I'm asking that? What are products are there? This is your answer. What is that? You need to mention the product names. Yes or no? How many products are there? You need to mention the total number of the records. How many are there? That will be called as a that much of products. That many of the products. Yes or no? Am I correct?
Yes. Yeah, you're right.
Now, if I'm asking that, I'm having one requirement. I'm having one requirement. How many sales I'm getting from the Germany? The total sales. How many total sales I'm getting from the Germany? And apart from that, I need to know how much percentage of the sales I'm getting from each and every country. This is my requirement. How many total sales I'm getting from each and every country? How many total percentage I'm getting from each and every country regarding the sales? Did you got my requirement or not? Did you got my requirement or not?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, we
yes.
got it.
Yes.
I'm thinking for the percentage, the second one.
Yes, yes.
But the
Yes,
first
yes,
one is
please.
clear.
Yes. So first one is clear, right? If I need to calculate the percentage, what I have to do, let me know that. I will give you the, I will help you to.
I mean, it will be the average of, the sales in that particular country. Okay.
I'm not asking anything about average. I'm asking that I need to get the percentage of the value of my Germany sales. Anyone help me?
Yeah, add 3 Germany, you have a 3 Germany. Add it.
Okay.
Total, you have total sales and
First,
And
what I need
calculate
to
the
do, I
then
need to get the grand total of the value of the
grand
sales
total of
column.
the.
Yes or no?
Mhm.
And
Yes.
after that, I need to get the total sales of the Germany country.
Hmm.
Now, what I have to do? What
Divide.
is the total I'm having? I
Divide.
need to divide with total with grand total
Total.
or grand
Grand
total with the
total
total, and I need to divide with, sorry, I need to multiply with
multiply by
100.
100.
100.
Yeah.
Then only I will get a percentage, yes or no?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Now, for the Germany, I'm asking that. I'm having France. I need to know that also. The percentage of the sales, how much percentage is there? If I'm having that type of requirement, as of now we are having 12 records only. If we are having lack of records, if we're having million records in my data, what you will do? Is it possible to calculate manually?
You
No.
Is
have
it
to
possible?
go. No, BI will help you.
We need one tool to calculate this. Not only calculations. What we have done the calculations, what we are having the data, what we are having the result, that result we need to represent in the graphical form. Why? Because to analyze the data exactly. Even if you calculated, even if you added any column this particular data table, you are unable to analyze. There is very difficulty situations to analyze the data. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's what I will do is this data I'm going to representing in a graphical form. Please try to observe that visual. What is going on here? What is going on here? I'm getting the total sales and percentage by the country. Yes or no? Now, if I'm asking
Yes.
that in which country we are getting good percentage of the sales, anyone?
USA.
USA, right? Right?
Hmm.
Why we are getting good percentage of sales? Why? Because we are getting good sales from USA. We are having good sales in USA, right? United States of America. There we are getting good sales. That's why I'm getting good percentage. Yes or no? That's why I'm getting good percentage of the sales.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yeah, correct.
Same
Yes.
thing. I can get that. This. The same thing. I can see this. I can analyze this.
What about the product wise?
We can create that also. If we need that also we can create. There is a
Okay.
requirement regarding the country. I'm asking that. Now we are good in, right? Now we are good in
Hmm.
that. If I'm
Yes.
having a requirement, regarding the product also we can create that. Just
Yeah,
I'm giving one example.
correct.
Okay.
But do you Power BI have any restriction? The restriction in the sense data volume. Can it handle GB data and all?
Yes, yes, we do have. While we are
Okay,
learning that licenses of the Power BI, we can see that.
okay.
While we are learning the data connectivity modes, we can see that.
No,
There
no,
is a
not
license.
connectivity. The volume I'm asking. Volume.
That's what I'm saying. That volume means we are having while we are using the Power BI Pro licenses, we can get the data 1 GB. I mean, there is a restriction of the data up to 1 GB data only. We can import into the Power BI from the data
Power
source.
BI.
We'll see
Got
that.
it.
We'll see that.
Hmm.
Nothing to worry. We'll see that everything. Okay. There is some restrictions. That restrictions also we can see that. How we can overcome it also we can see that.
Fantastic. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now we have seen that what is visual. What is this visual? Which the data is representing in the graphical form as of your requirement, where you can analyze your data easily. That will be called as a exactly the visualization. Is that clear, everyone so far? Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much. Can I move for the next slide? The analysis of the visual. Okay, now we have seen that what is visual, how to create a visual. I mean, how we will get the data in the visual. We have seen that. Now we are going to analyze a visual. Now, before creating any visual, as I said you, I need some data. I need some data. Yes or no? So based on
Yes.
that data only, we are going to creating a visual as of your requirements. That is the thing exactly we are going to do in Power BI. Yes or no? Now we are
Yes.
having the data. We are having the data. We are having the data. In this data, we are having the stores. We are having the products. We are having the sales. So in the stores, we are having how many stores are there?
Three
Three.
stores.
Exactly, super. So three stores are there here. In these three stores, we are having products. These products getting some sales. If I'm having the requirement regarding the stores, if I'm asking that which store is giving a good sales, it means the total highest sales from which store I'm getting.
Store 2.
Yeah.
Store two, someone saying that who is that? Please
Store
let me know
to
how you did
iPhone.
calculate it.
Store 2.
iPhone store to.
iPhone. 85,000.
iPhone store to.
Store two iPhone, you are saying that. But my requirement is I need to know the total sales from each and every store. I need to get which store is giving good sales. It means I need to say the based on the total sales only. The total
Correct.
Yes.
sales
Got it.
from store I'm getting good result.
Sir, it
Yes.
will be, I mean, the average of that particular store multiplied with the grand total, divided by grand total into 100.
I'm not asking that.
Yeah, you
No.
add all the stores, man. Three stores.
Each
Store
and
one,
every
store
store, how
two,
much
store
We're having
sale
store
is there?
one,
Yes.
we're having store two, we're having store three. So in these three stores, which store is giving good performance of my sales? From which store I'm
First, we
getting
need
good
to
sales?
add all the sales in store one and then add the sales in store two and add the sales in store three. Then we can conclude which store has more sales.
That's right.
Exactly,
Compare
right?
three. Yes.
Now we are having the store one sales. Okay, please try to add anyone. Please try to do the calculation if anyone interested.
Manually.
Exactly,
And
exactly, man.
store
Just I'm
one
giving
is
some
70,000,
example.
40,000. 1,15,000.
1 lakh.
15 and 5, 1,17,000. 1,17,000 plus 15.
1 lakh 40, 1 lakh 40, right?
1,32,000 is the store one.
1 lakh 32.
Hmm.
No, no, sir. 1 lakh 15 plus 5, right? 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 35. Yes.
Okay, fine, fine, fine.
Okay,
Okay, fine.
what?
See, actually, we are having only the records, 12 records, but I'm getting many also from for the store one only. If I'm having 10 stores, if I'm having many records, if I'm having lack of data, what you will do? Manually, it's not possible. We know that. We can calculate. With the help of the any Excel formulas, we can do that. But even if you did calculation in Excel or wherever it is, okay, if you need to analyze that data also, it is difficulty. It will be difficulty. Yes or no? Yes or no? And
Yeah.
if you
Yes.
observe that, no one is saying that store two is good, getting good. Performing good sales. Someone saying that, but the answer is based on this only. Yes or no? But it's not called right. Yes or no? Now what I will do is just regarding these stores, regarding this data, I'm having a requirement. That
Compared
requirement I'm
to,
representing in the graph. I created one visual. Absolutely. Now let me know that.
yeah, that's right. Compared to all the stores, store 2 has high sales.
But you are saying that if I'm asking that how you are saying
No,
that
no, I'm
store
not
two you are
saying
getting
based on
right on.
85,000. I calculated.
She did
You have
actually.
calculated only particular single row only, right? But we need to get. But see, you are saying that 85,000, okay? But that analysis is not absolutely right, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sir, no,
Let me see.
Mm-hmm.
sir, no. Let me know that.
Yeah.
Can you please explain me again?
See, actually, you are saying that when I'm asking the requirement, you are watching these 85,000 we are getting from store two, okay? As of your analysis,
Mm-hmm.
we are getting 85,000 of sales from the store two in this row. So I can say the store two is performing good sales. You are saying that only, right? Yes or no?
No, no, no.
Yes.
First she did like that,
Yes. Give
but
me a second. Give me a second. Let me
After that,
complete
I
this one.
calculated
that
all
she did
store to
calculate
total.
separately for each store.
Okay.
Yeah, based on that, I'm saying not
Yeah,
only
she's
85,000.
saying
Oh,
based on
super.
that.
Then, super.
Yeah,
Thank you so
she
much,
did
guys. Thank
actually.
you so
She
much.
did.
What I know is within second. I mean, within minute, within seconds, we cannot calculate this manually, right? For the store two. But when I'm asking immediately, you are saying that store two is performing good. It's okay.
Mhm.
Fine. Thank you so much.
That's it.
Good, good, good. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
dear. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now, if you observe that, now how I can analyze this visual? We are getting some data in the visual. We are getting some data in the visual. Now, how to analyze this? How to analyze is we are getting maximum sales from the store too. Yes or no? Maximum sales in the
Yes.
sense total sales also we are getting that. How many sales we are getting? 2,30,000 of sales we are getting from store two only. So the second highest sales from where we are getting that from the store two. What is the total sales from that? 1,70,000. Okay, the least sales and third highest sales we are getting from store one. Now, what is my store one total sales? 1,35,000. Okay, this is my analysis. Okay, within the seconds I can analyze this visual. Within the seconds I can get my requirement. If you compare with the data, that's what I'm trying to say. That wherever the data is there, we should need to analyze the data. That's why in IT, not only in IT, wherever the data. When I'm saying the data, please try to understand me. Even if there is IT, okay, even if it is not an IT, they should be having. See, for example, the pharma is not an IT, right? There is a pharma industries. Anyone know that? Pharma industries,
Yeah,
manufacturing
Yeah.
industries.
Hmm.
Anyone worked on that? Anyone know aware on that?
Yes.
not
See, if
exactly.
you observe that in the pharma manufacturing, what will happen? They're going to making some product, right? If they need to
Hmm.
making some product, they'll be having some batches. They need to do making some batches. What batches they're doing
Combination.
that? Exactly. What batches they're doing that, and what are the chemicals they are using? What are the
Yeah.
capacity of the chemicals? How much percentage of the
Combinations.
chemicals we
How
need to
much
use?
percentage and all?
Exactly. That all the data will be having that. Okay. Now, end of the year or end of the month or end of the batch, if anyone manager or anyone MD need to analyze the data also, they need some visualization.
Yeah.
Directly they cannot analyze that. Why? Because that is a manufacturing for every day, per a day they will be having many batches. Yes or no?
Many bad.
Blocks
Depending on
in
the
the
result.
blocks. Exactly. Depend on the
Yeah.
result, they will be having some data. That data they need to analyze. Based on that analyze only, they will be moving to another product, another batch. Yes or no?
Yeah. Like vaccination, like corona
Exactly.
vaccination.
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say that. Why? Because why I'm saying this is wherever you can take that. I mean, wherever you can go, there will be a data. The data should be analyzed. Is that clear?
Which come better results. That's all.
Yes, it's come better results. How we can get that? The help of visualizations. It's very better to analyze the data. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say that. Please try to understand me. Clear everyone? Any doubts in this? Okay, fine. Now we are going to say the same data with respect to the products. Now we are having the data. We represented in the graphical form. Now what is use of this? Only analysis? Only
No,
analysis?
which product is more sales like that.
We
Okay.
can find which product has more sales and
Okay, we can find which product we are getting more sales. Okay, fine. Very
yeah.
good analysis. Only that is the reason. Only that is the reason about
Actually,
the visualizations.
The brand also, sir, the brand.
Okay,
actually,
fine.
I want to know how you are doing this graph representation. Is there any process?
That's what my next topic,
The
dear.
power buying.
Please give me some
Okay,
time. Please give me some time.
okay,
Okay.
okay. Thanks.
Okay, fine.
Good.
Now,
Hmm.
see, actually creating a visual here. I'm creating a visual here. That visual we are getting some analysis. Okay, fine. Only that is the thing. No. Apart from that analysis of the data, we can do one more thing, making decision. The business users can make the decisions. How it is possible? Now, if anyone CEO of anyone project manager, if anyone, I mean production manager, anyone watching this graph, they can understand what they need to do to improve the business. So with the help of the visualizations, please go on mute. Someone making disturbance here. I'm getting some disturbance. Please go on mute. Okay. See, actually, the business users need to make the decision. Need to making, need to get a decision making. Why? Because if anyone CEO or if anyone MC, if any project manager, if anyone production manager, if anyone watching this graph of iPhone, OnePlus, Samsung, Vivo, whatever it is. Okay, if anyone watching this graph, what they can do? What they will make a decision. See, coming to the Samsung, they are getting. Please go on mute or somewhere. I'm getting disturbance. Please go on mute, everyone. Please try to understand me.
Money, can you go on mute, sir? It's Money's mic which is on. Money, can you go on mute, please?
Money, you are making disturbance here for everyone. Please go on mute, man. We are requesting you, please.
Yeah, you can mute, sir. Actually, you have access. I think he's in busy.
Actually, I need to request first thing, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I'm doing, man. I can do myself, but I need to request. That is manner of human, right? Okay, fine. Now, what is the thing we need to know here? What is the thing we need to know here? See, we are having that graph. In that graph, we are having some data. The data we are able to analyze that. Only that is not a matter. Okay, we can analyze. Anyone can analyze. Anyone. If see, if anyone 10th standard, if anyone 12th standard students are watching this visual, they can analyze easily. Yes or no? Yes or no? Because we know
Yes.
this graph, so it is following me, right? You're saying that I want to follow you, right? School days onwards. Yes or no? From school days, it is following me. But But the thing is, you need to know why we are creating this is why, because to making the decision to improve our business. How it is possible, I will let you know that. Now, the Samsung sales, if we are get the Samsung brand, they are getting good sales. Okay, they can celebrate events. Yes or no? Why? Because they're achieving good sales, right? Compared to others. Coming to the iPhone,
Yes.
okay, we are also getting some sales compared to Samsung. We are okay. We are going to reach, but we need to simply we need to improve ourselves. Okay, fine. Up to here, okay. Now coming to this person, what he need to think. See, what is the reason we are getting less sales? What is the reason? Anyone?
Yes.
What is the reason? If we are getting the less sales, means what is the reason here? Maybe it could
Customers are
be,
not.
yes, yes. Please let me know some reasons.
Customers are not satisfied with that, and they are
Why they
not
will not
able
satisfy?
Maybe because of
because of
the quality,
futures.
or the feature of the product
Features.
and the customer service.
Okay, features of the product. Okay, cost of the product. Okay, and if I say that we need to
For
improve the production of the product. Yes or no?
yes,
And apart from that, if I need to improve the production, what I have to do? I need some workers. It means the
in,
labors, employees.
yeah. First, they need to know which store are getting how much percentage. That means some stores are 1+, they can get more sales. Some stores are getting less sales. They have to concentrate on less.
Less stores, right?
Hello.
Less products, less
Yeah.
stores, less sales of the
Less
stores.
sales.
They need to
Less.
concentrate
Yeah.
on that. Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So those all type of the things can get from these visuals. So see, whenever we are buying any one product, any one feature, any one product, we should compare the features with another product. Yes or no?
Yes.
Apart from that, we should compare the cost. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes.
no? The most dangerous is discount.
Hmm.
40% of discount, 50% of the discount. The most dangerous word for the businessmen. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? For example, we are going to Reliance. Okay, we are going to any one store. Let me know any one store, shopping mall. When there is a Reliance, Trends there is, and we are having the DMart.
Mm.
Okay, in the DMart also we will get. Clothing. Trends also will get clothing. Okay, which one you will prefer? Which one you will prefer?
It depends,
Which
sir.
has more discounts.
Exactly. That's what, right? Now, what they need to do? They need to give some
Discount
cost with a
discounts
discount.
will not,
Yes or no?
sir. Discounts will not define the price, right?
Yes, yes. Discount will not define the price, but if I
It
need,
will
see,
attract
I
customers.
don't need the profit. I need to improve my business. That's it. The businessmen will be like that only. Did you got my point?
Yeah. Yes.
See,
Yes.
whenever I'm having the business passion, see, I'm the businessman. I'm doing one business. I no need profit. I need to populate my business. That will be. See, the demand will be giving more discounts. The trends will be giving more discounts. They're getting the profit
Hmm.
or not, they will not expect the profit. They need to be populate the business. For that, what they will do? They need to get good sales. If they need to get good sales, they need to give some discount. After that, once they got the good sales, the business will be popular. Then they will not give any discount.
Hmm.
Then they will get good profit. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Once the
sir.
business is populated, they will not give any discount. When the business will be populated, when they are giving any discounts, when they are giving any gifts, when they are giving any coupons, why they are giving that? to populate the business. Once the business is populated, they will not give any discounts. Why? Because my business is already populated. Why I need to give the discounts? Yes or no? See, if you observe that, we are having the KFC, right? We are having the KFC. You guys are know that. Yes or no? We are having the KFC. We are having the Domino's. Where will get good? A good percentage of the discount
In KFC.
in KFC.
On
Okay,
Wednesdays.
Domino's also, right? Why they are giving a discount? Actually, these two are international brands, right?
Yes.
Still, they are giving discount. Why? Why? Because there is a competition. Yes or no? Yes or no? There is competition. When
Yes.
I'm saying the competition, I can get the crispy chicken in anywhere. I can get the pizza anywhere. But the quality of pizza, the quality of the chicken, where I can get at KFC only, right? At Domino's only, right? Yes or no? But still, they are giving some discount. Why? To populate the business. Why they need to populate the business? There is a good competition. To
To
overcome
increase the
means
sales also.
yes, yes, exactly. See, they will get the profit. Why? Because the business is across the world, right? KFC and Domino's, not only in India. Yes or no? They'll get profit anywhere. Any one country, they will get some profit. That is the business cases we need to know here. Not only a subject here, we need to know the business cases also. Clear, everyone? Why the visuals are creating? To analyze the data, which the data we're having regarding the business, and once we did analyzed, we can make decisions based on that visual. Now what he need to do? He need to improve the production. He need to improve the features. He need to improve the cost. He need to give some discount. If he need to improve the production means he need to get some employees to to manufacture the product. If he need to improve the products means, if the manufacturing need to improve means, what you need? You need some employment, you need some machinery, whatever things you need to do to improve the business, he should perform that. So that is the thing I'm saying, that the visuals can make a decisions for the businessmen. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear?
Yes.
Am I?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's all about the importance of the visualization. So far we have seen that. That's what about the visualizations, the importance of the visualization, why the visualizations are very very important to business users. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No.
Yeah. So going forward we can see many things. Okay, see, the question is, someone is asking that, the question is, we are having these visualizations, we are creating these visualizations, where it will be happen, where it will be happen, it will be
In Power
happened in
BI.
data visualization tool. Okay, data
Mm-hmm.
visualization tool. We're having data, many data visualization tool in the market. In that data visualization tool, we selected which is Power BI, which is hot technology in the current market, which is leading as a data visualization tool in the current market. We are, why
Reminder
we
for
need
second session, 8 o'clock session.
yes please.
It's a reminder for second session, 8 o'clock session.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, thank you so much for attending. So these visuals we are going to creating in your Power BI. Okay, how to create a visual, we are going to see each and everything. Okay, you guys are need to follow me. It's enough, you can learn easy the technology with me. Okay, so please attend the demo for tomorrow also, you will get a good picture of Power BI, what is that exactly. Okay, so thank you for attending for this session. I'm going to leave anything else, and if you have, if you guys are any doubts, so you can contact that number. Okay.
Sir,
Hello.
one query.
Yes, you can contact to
Hello.
this number. Everyone will get. Good answers. Actually,
Sir, are you
having another
sir, are you going to cover basics of data warehouse?
data warehouse means see data modeling. We are covering that. Data warehouse,
Hmm.
so we are not going to see that exactly. The data warehouse. What are the concepts are there? We are going to cover.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much. If you need to,
సార్ టూ
consult
ఇయర్స్ కి
me.
కాల్స్ ఉన్నాయా సార్?
Sorry.
హలో.
Yes.
టూ ఇయర్స్ కి కాల్స్ ఉన్నాయా సార్?
Good night. Even fresher we
హలో.
are having the calls, but how to get a calls, how to schedule, how to you can schedule yourself. I will let you know that. Everyone saying that for 2 years there is no calls. For freshers there is no calls. If there is no calls, why the technology will be working here? If there is no opportunities, if there is no requirement, why these technologies why this technology is having hot technology in IT market? Still we are having the requirements for the Power BI. Okay, you don't worry about that. I will let you know how you will get a call. I will let you know that. Okay, not only giving a subject, how to get calls, how to crack the interviews, which resume you need to create, everything. I will let you know that. You don't worry. Please attend the demo session for tomorrow. I'll give you entire doubts for you. Sorry, I will give you entire answer for your doubts. Okay, but because I do have, and again we are having another session at 8 o'clock. Sorry for that. We'll see that tomorrow. Okay, clear everyone.
Yeah, we will see you tomorrow.
Thank you so much. I'm going to leave. Bye bye. Have a nice day.